Since MidJourney is a paid AI tool, its biggest rival, Leonardo AI, comes with free access for beginners with up to 150 credits per day, and recently Leonardo AI got a new update. Now you can generate MidJourney-level artwork with Leonardo AI. Since Stability AI recently released SDXL 0.9, some examples of the prompts tested on both SDXL Beta and 0.9 on the right side shows how far this model has come in just 2 months. And now it is integrated in Leonardo AI version 3. Here is a sample of how much quality it can produce, and when we use any other model, you can see the difference for sure. Even for free users, they have recently integrated tons of different image models which produce high-quality results, and you can select any of them and generate your artwork. I really like this 3D animation style, ideal for those who like Pixar or DreamWorks. In this update, there is also a new version of Prompt Magic, which is for paid users as it works with Alchemy, and for that, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. You can even use ControlNet to upload your own image as a sample, which will influence your new image generations. What sets Leonardo apart is the ability to create custom models by uploading a set of images. It also comes with other handy features like background removal and a prompt generation tool. Now let's see some samples. Surrealism Challenge was first up, and Leonardo community produced this epic infinity mirror piece of art, and this pretty but intense-looking lady who may or may not be lost in a tropical jungle. Another incredible model in 3D animation style. It is a historical fact that nothing is more epic than Darth Vader shredding on a guitar like Eddie Munson in the Upside Down, the iconic RV from Breaking Bad. Another awesomely detailed alchemy-enhanced picture of a scientist who looks like she might be on the thought brink of a major discovery. And Off-Force, the Canvas version 2 as well. This supercharged version of editing tool comes with a ton of new features, including fine-tuned model support, text-to-image, image-to-image, sketch-to-image, in-paint v2, etc. Overall, version 3 generates artwork with fine detail than the version 2. In conclusion, Leonardo AI emerges as the more versatile and user-friendly tool. By the way, you can get access to my prompts pack of over 1,000 prompts designed for MidJourney and Leonardo AI with over 30 different categories in a highly organized Notion page. And check out this video about 2 other platforms which can convert a rough drawing into a highly detailed image.